How to deposit money on Revolut. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you're going to deposit money into your Revolut. So to deposit money into your Revolut, what you are going to be doing is you are going to go into your add money section. Okay, so once you go into your add money section, it's going to open up this prompt over here. So it says add money protected by the deposit guarantee scheme. And in this add money section, what you're going to be doing is you're going to basically get an option. So you're going to add it in whatever currency you want to add it in. Once you do that, you're going to add your bank or credit card, from wherever you want to add it to. And then you're going to click on add money securely to deposit money to your Revolut. You are going to want to make sure, just go on add money. Okay, add money will basically deposit it. Choose your bank, choose your currency. And once you're done with all of that, that is how you are going to deposit money onto your Revolut. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.